Hi there, I'm Dr. Angela Batista, the Transformation by Design Coach. I want to personally invite you to something special, something designed just for you. We're living in times that demand more from you as leaders, more courage, more clarity, and more care. But here's the truth, you can't pour from an empty cup. That's why we created Transformation 2025, a free 3-day leadership experience to help you to reset, reimagine what's possible, and reclaim your purpose. Why now? Because the world is shifting fast, and leaders like you need space to reflect and to take aligned action. You deserve the tools, mindset, and community to thrive, not just survive amid change. Here's how it will work. For day 1, on Monday, July 7th, you will receive our first short video, Shifting from Surviving to Thriving, via your email at 10 a.m. Eastern. This video focuses on mindset because we recognize how your thoughts shape your leadership. On day 2, Wednesday, July 9th, you will receive our second short video, Leading with Agility and Purpose, at 2 p.m. Eastern. You'll walk away with practical strategies for leading through change while staying grounded in your values. On day 3, Friday, July 11th, we will go live via Zoom from 1 to 3 p.m. Eastern. I hope you will join me and members of the TBD community for a 2-hour live and interactive session where we'll explore these topics further together. Expect real-time conversation, reflection, actionable tools, and powerful moments of connection. This is where transformation truly begins. You don't want to miss this. Register today at the link on the screen. We will have bonuses and exceptional opportunities will be available to continue this journey with us, including inside our brand new Transformation by Design membership program. Most importantly, we are building this event to be your space, your pause button, a chance to lead with purpose and connect with others, and chart your course forward. Can't join us live? Oh, don't worry, no problem. Just sign up and you'll get access to the replay for a limited time. So visit the link, sign up, and prepare to transform, transcend, and thrive together. I can't wait to see you there.